children, good morning. Coming to our next class. Today our maths class. Okay children, see. Open your maths textbooks. Page number 105. Page number 105. Okay. Tick the correct answers. See first moment, tick the correct answers. See first one. The number for 3033. So 3033 is the given number name. So spelling is here. THREE, THOUSAND, THREE, 3033. So 3033. This one is 333. This one is 3303. But this one is 3033. So number is A option is correct. Okay children, pick that one. Next, the greatest number among given four numbers are there. So you observe these four numbers. Which one is the biggest? So you see first thousands place 777. So four numbers of the thousand places are 7 number is there. But in hundreds place 8, 4, 2 and 8. So 2 8 numbers are there. So 8 is greater than the 2 and 4. Yes children? Yes. So these two numbers, which one is the biggest? So you observe the tens place number also. Tens place number 2 is here, 4 is here. So 2 and 4, which one is the biggest? 4 is the biggest. So 7842 is the biggest number. B option is correct. Next see the third one. In 3752, which digit is at the hundreds place? So in this digit, in this number, in hundreds place, which number is there? Ones, tens, hundreds place. So hundreds place, which number is there? 7 is there. So take the option B. Okay, first one 3033 is the number here, and second one B option 7842 is the biggest number, and in 3752 7 is in the hundreds place is there. So B option is the correct. Okay children, take your pencils and tick that one options. I erase the children. Okay, next see fourth one. Next fourth one see children. 101 more than 7010. So 101 more than. So which number more than 7010 is? So 7010 is will be added to 101. So 1217. So this is the answer. Okay children, which option is there that number? B option is there. So 7121 is the you take that answer. Okay children, fourth one. Next see the fifth one. The sum of 3825 and what is the second number? 3527. Sum means any two numbers will be added becomes the answer is called sum. Okay, so you add these two numbers. 5 plus 7, 12, double digit number. So 2 here, 1 here. How many 2s are there? 2 2s. So 2 2s are 4. 4 plus 1, 5. 8 plus 5, 13. So 3 right here in this one, next one upside. 3 3s are 4691. This is given a minus. And fourth one also see 94678578. So this one also minus. So now first one is plus means. You do the addition. So 6 keep in your mind, take 7 fingers. 6 plus 7, 13. 13 plus 9. 13 keep in your mind, take 9 fingers. 13 after 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. So 2 and 2. 2 plus 4, 6. 6 keep in your mind, take 8 fingers. 6 after 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 14 keep in your mind, take 7 fingers. 14 after 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. So 1 here, 2 here. How many 5s are there? 2 5s. So 2 5s are 10. 10 plus 6, 16. 16 keep in your mind, take 2 fingers. 17, 18. So 8 and 1. 1 plus 4, 5. 5 plus 2, 7. 7 plus 1, 8. So 8812 is the answer here. Next. 9 keep in your mind, take 4 fingers. 9 after 10, 11, 12, 13. 13 keep in your mind, take 5 fingers. 13 after 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. So 8 right here and 1 here. 1 plus 4, 5. 5 plus 5, 10. 10 plus 7, 17. 7 and 1. 1 keep in your mind, take 3 fingers, means 4. 4 keep in your mind, take 7 fingers. 4 after 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11 plus 3, 14. So 4 and 1. 1 plus 6, 7. 7 plus 2, 9. So 9478 is the answer. Next. Take 9 fingers, close 1 finger. 8 is the answer. 8 minus 9, not possible. So this 8 is taking the borrowing from 3, 1 number. That one means 10, 10 plus 8, 18. Here already give 1 number borrowing, so remaining 2. So 9 after becomes 18. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. 9 fingers are open. So right here 9. Again 2 minus 6 is possible, children? No, not possible. So this 2 is taking the borrowing from 8, 1 number. That one means 10, 10 plus 2, 12. 8 already give 1 number borrowing to this 2. So remaining 7 is there. 6 after becomes 12. 6 after 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So 6 fingers are open. So right here 6. And take 7 fingers, close 5 fingers, remaining 2. So 2698 is the answer. Next. 7 minus 8 possible, children? No. So this 7 is taking the borrowing from 6, 1 number. That one means 10, 10 plus 7, 17. 6 already give 1 number borrowing, so remaining 5 is there. 8 after becomes 17. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. 9 fingers are open. So right here 9. 5 minus 7 is also not possible. So this 5 taking the borrowing from 4, 1 number. That one means 10, 10 plus 5, 15. 4 already give 1 number borrowing, so remaining 3. 7 after becomes 15. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 8 fingers are open. So right here 8. 3 minus 5 is also not possible. So 3 is taking the borrowing from 9, 1 number. That one means 10, 10 plus 3, 13. 9 already give 1 number borrowing, so remaining 8. 5 after becomes 13. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 8 fingers are open. So 8. 8 minus 8, 0. So 889 is the answer here. Okay, children? In your textbooks, 1, 2, 3, 4 sums are completed. Now 5, 6, 7, 8 is the homework. Okay, children? Do that sums at your home. Okay, complete this one in your textbooks first. See, C Roman. Solve first sum. Add. Add 3, 2, 1, 4, 4, 6, 6, 8 and 1, 8, 7, 6. So add means you do the addition. First given numbers you write in the answer. 3, 2, 1, 4 addition means plus symbol. 4, 6, 6, 8 plus 1, 8, 7, 6. Okay. So this is rows. You write in columns. 3, 2, 1, and 1. 1 plus 3 4. 4 plus 4 8. 8 plus 1 9. So 9758 is the answer. First sum. Okay children, next second sum see once. I write the answer only. See in your textbook. Note that question and write the answer. Subtract 1697 from 2896. 2896. Already explained the children in subtractions. From after given number you write first. So 2896 minus 1697. So write here 2896 1697. 6 minus 7 possible children? No. So the 6 is taking the borrowing from 9 one number, that 1 means 10, 10 plus 6 16. 9 already give one number borrowing, so remaining 8 only is there. 7 after count. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. 9 fingers are open. So write here 9. Okay? 8 minus 9 is also not possible. So this 8 is taking the borrowing from 8 one number, that 1 means 10, 10 plus 8, 18. 8 already give one number borrowing, so remaining 7 is there. 9 after becomes 18. 9 after 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. 9 fingers are open. 9. Take 7 fingers, close 6 fingers, remaining 1. Take 2 fingers, close 1 finger. So check by addition also. You write this answer first here and write the second number in second place. Add these two numbers. 9 plus 7, 16. 9 plus 9, 18 plus 1, 19. 1 plus 1, 2, 2 plus 6, 8. 1 plus 1, 2. So becomes the answer is first one children? Yes. So this is the correct. Take your notebooks and complete that in your notebooks. Okay? See now fill in the blanks next Roman. The face value of 16 given number 6274 is. Place value means that number which places have ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. That will add, we will write the 7 is in tens place, 72 is in 200 place, hundreds place, 200, 6 is in thousands place, you write the value is 6000. But here face value. Face value means number itself. Okay? The face value of 16 also 6. Okay? The predecessor means children before number. Successor means after number. Predecessor of 3410 is. So 10 before 9. So 3409. 4326, 5326, 6326. So here in this place only 1000 will be increased here. So 7326 and 8326. Okay? Next, dash is 100 more than 2015. So you add first 2015 and 100. So 5 plus 0, 5, 1 plus 0, 1, 0 plus 1, 1, 2. So 2115 is more than 2115 is 100 more than 2015. Okay? 6700 minus 0. 0 is subtracted from any number, becomes the same answer, number itself. So 6700 is the answer. Next, you simplify these numbers. 212 minus 100 plus 42. So first, you add two plus numbers. 212 and 42. 2 plus 2, 4. 1 plus 4, 5. 2. So minus 100. Add these numbers and subtract these numbers. 4, 5 and 1. So 154 is the answer. Okay children, 5000 is the number before. 31, fourth one 5984 minus 3211, fifth one 600 plus 2560 plus 8. And what is the options here? A option 118, B option 3168, C option 2004, and D option 3248, and E option 2773. So first you simplify these numbers and which answer is correct, you match that one. Okay, first 2104 and minus 100. So subtract these two numbers. 4 minus 0, 4, 0 minus 0, 0, 1 minus 1, 0, and write this 2 directly. So 2004. Which option 2004? C option. So you match that one C. Okay? Next, add these two numbers. First you add the biggest number 2708 and first number 540. Yeah, 8 plus 0, 8, 0 plus 4, 4, 7 plus 5, 12, 2, and 1, 1 plus 2, 3. So 3248. Which option? B option. So complete that one. 2 to D. Okay. Next third one, what is that? 249 minus 131. So first you write 249 and 131. You subtract these numbers. Take 9 fingers, close 1 finger, 8 is there. Take 4 fingers, close 3 fingers, remaining 1. Take 2, close 1, remaining 1. So 118. Which option? A option. So 3 to A. Next one 5984. Second number 3211. So minus. Take 4 fingers, close 1 finger, 3. Take 8 fingers, close 1 finger, 7. Take 9 fingers, close 2 fingers, 7 fingers. Take 5, close 3. So remaining 2. So 2773. So 4 to E. Next last one 600. Second one 2560. Only 8. So 8, 6, 6 plus 5, 11, 1. 3168. So fifth to B. Okay, children, take your pencils and complete that matching. Okay, see children, F-Roman. Solve these board problems. First one, I read that only sum. Okay, see in your textbooks and write in your notebook that question note in your notebook. Okay, I don't write on the question on the board. See, 3752 people visited a zoo on Monday. On Tuesday, 1348 more people visited the zoo than on Monday. How many people visited the zoo on Tuesday? So totally, how many total? So now we find out. First you write the number of people. First you write number of people visited a zoo on Monday. Visited a zoo on Monday. How many people children? Monday 3752. Next one. Number of more people visited a zoo on Tuesday. Number of more people. How many? 1348. Okay. So, how many people visited the zoo on Tuesday? So, totally number of people visited the zoo on Tuesday. Now, add these two numbers. Okay? Add these two numbers. 2 plus 8, 10. 0 and 1. 1 plus 5, 6. 6 plus 4, 10. 0, 1. 7 plus 3, 10 plus 1, 11. 1, 1. So total 5,100 people visited the zoo. Visited the zoo on Tuesday. Okay, children. First you write number of people visited a zoo on Monday. How many people you write that number? Number of more people visited a zoo on Tuesday. Number of more people how many? 1,348. So number of people visited the zoo on Tuesday. You add these two numbers and write the number 5100. Okay, so therefore 5100 people visited the zoo on Tuesday. Okay, children. Note in your textbooks that note in your notebooks that answer. And see in your textbook, write the question on notebook. And this answer note in your notebooks also. Finish? Now see the second word problem. What is the second word problem, children? Mohit had 7,580 rupees. He deposited 5,900 rupees in the bank. How much money was left with Mohit? So first you write here. What is the second problem? See, the amount of money Mohit had. Total amount of money. Total amount of money Mohit had. How much amount total? 7,580. Okay? The amount of money he deposited in the bank. So you write here the amount of money he deposited in the bank. How much amount he deposited in the bank, children? 5,900 rupees. The amount of money left. You find out that the amount of money left. Okay? So you do the minus. 0 minus 0, 0. 8 minus 0, 8. 5 is taking the power 8 from 7. One number, that one means 10. 10 plus 5, 15. So 7 already give one number, so remaining 6 is there. 9 after becomes 15. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 6 fingers are open. So write here 6. Take 6 fingers, close 1 finger, remaining 5. So take 6 fingers, close 5 fingers, remaining 1, children. Mention the rupees symbol. So 1,680 rupees. So therefore 1,680 rupees amount of money was left with Mohit. Left with Mohit. Right, last confusion, children. See, total amount of money Mohit had and the amount of money he deposited in the bank. The amount of money left. How much amount of money left? Do the subtraction becomes the answer 1,680 rupees. So 1,680 rupees amount of money was left with Mohit. Okay, children. This one also note in your notebook. See the question in the textbook and write the answer in the board. Right, note in your notebooks. Erase that one. See the next third one problem, children. What is the third one problem? Ramana has 486 red beads and 158 yellow beads. He bought Number of red beads. Number of red beads. How many red beads have? 4,886. 486. Number of yellow beads. Number of yellow beads. How many children? 158. 158. Number of blue beads. Number of blue beads. How many blue beads he bought? 257. So you find out total number of beads. Total number of beads. Okay? First you total means you add here plus 6 keep in your mind, take 8 fingers. 6 after 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 14 keep in your mind, take 7 fingers. 14 after 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. So 1 right here, 2 right here. 2 plus 8, 10. 10 plus 5, 15. 15 plus 5, 20.